Sent a photo out your window of Tokyo, told me you were doing fine. You said the cherry blossoms were blooming and that I was on your mind. But I couldn't make you out through the glitches. It's how it always seems to go. So we say our goodbyes over Messenger as the network overloads. When the network overloads, you're my wanderer, little wanderer, off across the sea. You're my wanderer, little wanderer, won't you wander back to me, back to me. Falling asleep when you're waking, I count the hours on my hands, doing the math to the time zone you're at was an unseen part of the plan. But if you won't be my bluebird returning, then I will be your evergreen, standing tall on your horizon, guiding you home to me, guiding you home to me. You're my wanderer, little wanderer, off across the sea. You're my wanderer, little wanderer, won't you wander back to me? You're my wanderer, little wanderer, how I wish that you could see. Little wanderer, little wanderer, how I need you back with me, back with me. You sent a photo out your window of Paris, of what you wish that I could see. But someone's gotta be the lighthouse, and that someone's gotta be me. And I hope your absence makes us grow fonder. I hope we always feel the same. When our eyes meet past security, we embrace in the baggage claim. When we kiss in the baggage claim.